I needed some office supplies. But since I'm a new YouTuber and I haven't made any money yet, I decided to sneak into this building and try to find some. I don't think anybody's here, so I should be all right. I'm gonna try this way. I'll check in with you guys later. Don't anybody call the cops. I'm only gonna borrow this stuff, I promise. Hey guys, so I found this office. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, so I should have a couple hours to be able to use this whiteboard and sneak out before anybody knows that I was here. So hopefully nobody's called the cops yet. I've turned the flashlight off, I put on lights. It kind of looks like I belong here. So hopefully I can get through this without somebody walking through the door and busting me. So what I'm going to do, this video is all about the most important things that you need to do to increase views to your videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a bunch of stuff up on the whiteboard and I'm going to explain it as I go along. All right. So first thing I'm going to have to do is, just remember this stuff so that I can write it back on later. All right. I don't think it's important. Hi. What are you doing in my big boy office? I'm really sorry. I didn't know anybody was here. My daddy gave me this company. I got a big desk. Yeah. Good for you. What are you putting on my board? Yeah, this is the 6 most important things according to YouTube experts that are going to get your videos more views. I had something on there before. It was supposed to be important business stuff. You weren't supposed to erase it. Guess I'm going to have to kill you now. Yeah. Tell me about all them things. Yeah, this is the 6 most important things according to YouTube experts that are going to get your videos more views. YouTube videos? I always wanted to make one of those. I like YouTube videos too. In fact, I'm making one right now. Number 6, you need to focus on the right analytics. I don't know a whole lot about analytical. I got people tell me what to do. It's analytics. It means to analyze. It's how you tell how things are doing. Analytics. Number 5, your channel has to be consistent. If you're putting out videos about video games one day, and then about posting on YouTube one day, and then about writing a book another day, and then teaching somebody how to ride a bike another day, the algorithm is not going to pick up on it. It's not going to be sending people because it doesn't know who to send. My father said I was a consistent disappointment. I think you're consistently a great guy. Please don't call the police. Number 4, the hook. What's the hook? The hook is what I said at the beginning. I'm going to tell you the number 1 thing that most YouTube experts agree is going to get you more views on your videos. That's the thing that's going to make you want to keep watching all the way to the end of the video. Isn't that a song with a lot of harmonica and a big giant fat guy who would sing about it? All right, number 3, post videos frequently. I like YouTube videos. My dad says I watch too many YouTube videos and I don't spend enough time on business. Develop interesting video ideas. This is probably not one of them. Had a completely different idea for this, and it kind of went off the rails. I like interesting ideas. They're interesting. And when things are interesting, then they interest me. But what I really want to know is what's number 1. Forget all the other things. I want to know 1. How come you have everything else written down, but you don't have number 1 written down? Make searchable titles. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, second only to Google. So there are more people coming onto YouTube searching for advice, searching for help, searching for ways to learn how to ride a bike or how to fix a car, how to walk into some nice man's office and use their whiteboard. Number 2 biggest search engine, and will probably become the biggest search engine in the world. When people come on, they're looking for something specific. If your title is not searchable, if your title doesn't make it easy for people to find, then you're not going to get the views. This is absolutely huge. I'm going to give you one extra bonus on top of all this. Something that a lot of the experts talk about, but I'm going to throw my own special sauce in on it. Thumbnails. Thumbnails, that is the packaging that your video is wrapped up in. Thumbnails and titles is what will draw people to your video far and away above everything else. If your thumbnail and your title don't match, you're screwing up. If you put your title in your thumbnail, you're screwing it up. Your thumbnail is a visual representation of what your video is going to be. That is the most important thing that I have ever heard. In fact, I think I'm going to start making YouTube videos now. I'm going to take myself more seriously. I'm going to buckle down. I'm going to do all the things that my father told me that I should have done years ago. I'm going to take things seriously, one step at a time. I'm going to excel in this world of YouTube based on the facts that you have shown me here. These 6 most important things according to other YouTube experts. Yes. There's no way that I can fail. You've written all down for me on a whiteboard. You even drew a fishing hook, which ties into your second video. Yeah, I'm a fan. But you talk about the hook, and you have a fishing hook there, which is a direct tie into the second video about catching your first fish, which is something that you say in all of your videos about catching your first fish. It all comes back full circle, 360 degrees. My world is expanding. My brain is pulsing with genius-tude. I'm a new man. Thank you for coming into my office and writing on my whiteboard, even if you did erase 6 months worth of research and development. This is more important than that. You, sir, have changed my life.